Hey, I heard you were looking for a lake house. I found the perfect one. Let's go inside and check it out. This is what lake living is supposed to feel like. Easy, comfortable, and actually usable. One of the biggest things people look for at the lake is a flat lot, and this one delivers. No stairs, no struggle, just walk right out to the water. This home was made for entertaining. Plenty of space inside and even better space outside. This kitchen was designed for how people actually live. Custom cabinets, new appliances, and a large island. With 5 bedrooms, there's room for everyone, family, guests, and weekends that turn into memories. With the composite decking and updates, this is a truly low-maintenance lake living house. More time to enjoy and less time working. The dock area has been dredged, which is a huge bonus, better depth and easier boating access. Thanks for checking out my newest listing at 97 Greens Point. My name is Jennifer Waslak and I'm with Krantz & Associates. If you have any questions regarding this listing or any others, please give us a call at 573-302-2355.